Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need the ICC file first, so download or transfer the IC now. Once you have it, open Finder and navigate to the User or System Color Sync Profiles folder. You're placing the file where macOS expects color profiles. This is why you copy to ~library/colorsync/profiles for just your account or /library/colorsync/profiles for all users. Make sure to authenticate if prompted, because installing system profiles requires permission. After copying, pause to confirm the file appears in the folder. Now you assign the profile to the display so colors match intent. Open System Settings or System Preferences and go to Displays. Select the screen you want to change. Click Color and browse the profile list to find the ICC you added, then select it. Once done, make sure to check how images render. Different apps can ignore profiles, so use Color Sync Utility if you need to explicitly associate the profile with a device. This step tells macOS to use that profile for rendering desktop and system-level color. Finish by verifying that the profile is active and accurate. Open a known test image, a calibrated target, or compare with a reference. You should see the expected color shift right away. If an app still shows old colors, restart the app or restart the Mac to force profile application. If colors remain incorrect, remove and reinstall the ICC or reset color sync preferences and try again. One troubleshooting tip: corrupted profiles cause odd shifts. Re-download or regenerate the profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.